Watch out, Zach. He's over there. You see him? Go get the candy. Come on.
What do you have to do?
You gotta go get the candy from Jason. There he is. Go get the candy, Zach. Go. Go, Captain America.
Oh, there you go, Fifi.
Go get the candy. Go on.
There's a noise.
It's not gonna hurt you. Just go up there. Say trick or treat. Yeah.
So dark.
Hey, you guys, neighbor, better run out of the way.
Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Get the candy. Get it.
Please. Oh my God!
Get the candy.
Good job, Joe.
Get the candy.
Oh my goodness!
Hey, that was easy. That was easy. He just gave it to us.
Go to the park.